Hey guys, good morning. Chuck Barron here. Just got a call. Guy wants his main valve moved from crawl space to easy access because he's a Florida guy. Let's go check it out. I already spoke to him. I mentioned the mowing, auto mowing flow. Really not interested. So we're going to go main valve, easy access, so he feels better, manually on, off, without going into crawl space. Here we go. 4 lots of packs.
3/4 or 1/2 inch.
1/2 inch. Are we filming? I'll make my steak. Protein. No more donuts. We're going to press. 1 inch copper. Oh, the new guys are training? Alright, so I just seen some of my old mates come by, and thank God they didn't blow their air horn, because I love that. It makes me want to re-enlist. So we're going to head down to Margate. I have a guy who wants to move the main valve. Already been there. Somebody did him injustice by putting a piece of polybutylene between 1 inch black poly, water service, and 3/4 copper. He may have had a repair. I don't know what happened, but someone definitely put in the wrong type of pipe. If they didn't, it's really old and needs to go. If you look up polybutylene, like I did this morning, it's a no-no. You must replace it. It fails without warning. Factory defect. Let's go. Right now, what he's doing is going into crawl space, shutting the house off by a main valve. We're going to put a main valve right here through the wall, boom, boom, back in and tie into the water main, okay? 2 things that are going to happen under here. Let me show you. Get under here real quick. So we have 1 inch poly coming up. This stays the same. This stays. This is the main valve. We're going to put a new valve outside that door. It ties into 3/4 polybutylene. I don't know who did this to this guy, but we're going to give him great pressure now. This comes over around the ductwork above us and picks up the 3/4 cold. Tie this all in with copper. Come right across. Main valve in, main valve out, tie it all back in with copper. Okay? Now, all this poly goes to an outside shower, cold, and a hot, somewhere over here. Change all the PEX, please. Okay? New PEX valves right here so you can reach them real easy. Right here. This one goes, look at it, look at this line where someone did. Someone did the main valves here, change it to, you don't have to change a valve if you don't want. I like to see a ball valve. But look, it goes from copper to polybutylene. So it's probably been here 30 years. We're going to change it to PEX. All right? And this cold water goes to the cold on the outside shower, and then this one goes to a bib all the way over there. That's why I had you bring 40 foot of pipe. All right? Hang it, bang it, turn it back on.
This. All right.
All right?
Goodbye, bike.
One of my favorite elevators here. Welcome to the Admiral. Whoop. B for Baron. Let's go.
Well, we're gonna need to cut some sort of saw, right?
Good morning.
Plug in.
Good morning. What's going on, my friend? What's happening here?
Plug in one.
I want to see why this is 4-inch. This is the clog spot. So we gotta pop this down, see what's happening here, or take a look over here, which I can't see, man. What do we got? Yeah, look up here now. All right, cool. Let's all look at it. Huh? That's interesting. Check that radiator out. It reduces here. Number one, this is the clog spot. What's happening here is this, folks. Multiple problems. We have a couple leaks here. Have been leaking for quite a bit, but recently been here for a clogged sewer that we couldn't clear, and then we had the cable pull a toilet unit B coming around, bang, reduction right here, clog spot. Someone did a repair on the fly, evidently. They went from 5 to 4 to 5, so we're going to change all this to proper size pipe, 5-inch repair, and then of course do this correctly. And that's the plan for today. I love sewage. It's my wheelhouse.
Should I go up there and start flushing toilets?
Yeah.
You guys do your eyes.
Turn it up. Turn it. If you can, turn it up. You go. Turn it up on the Read it, Hub. This is. It only has like one.
I think that's all you need.
She uses. Never mind.
Good to go.
Look how big I am. I don't know if I feel happy for Guy or sad for him for what happened.
Weird. Right?
Yeah, I thought he was going to do a full swing
That's
back.
weird.
I was about to say, there's no way he'll blow something.
No, that was pretty bad though. I was saying, but that was just so hard. It was weird. You could hear it.
You got to pop your
You're in.
engine,
You're
bro.
in.
We're in. We're good.
Keep coming, dude. It ain't all the way in. You happen to have vacuum?
Yeah, don't worry about it. Sure. Yeah.
We try our best.
No problem.
We've come to this building multiple times for backups. We thought maybe it was the 5-inch to the 4-inch, but inside, when we were throwing this piece of pipe out, we realized that there is an old condensate line or something just shoved in there and then banded fern coat on top. So we solved the mystery. Okay. The mystery's been solved.
I'm ready for a trip to the beach.
When we get double audio, I can. And when we get some screenshots right here. Oh, by the way, y'all did a great job over the Admiral. And then even at the jetter save, Dale, thank you. Well, we're meeting Marty there at 9:30 to pick up all the concrete, and he's gonna fill it with gravel. Wait.
Not you, sir?
No, we bought them now.
I was already shocked you traded on the NFC.
All right, here we are.
That's about it.
Little end of the summer, celebrating beginning of local summer.
It is local summer.
I know. Thank you for all the people going home. We appreciate you, but now the real beach time starts. Are you going in?
No. Big company meeting.
Fired up.
Oh my
Flex on
god.
down.
Yeah, out here, land shark.
There you have it. I mean, it's been a great week. We got some different things accomplished coming on to Labor Day weekend. First, start out with the warranty job. Our warranty's second to none. Moving over to the main valve job. When you come out here, in and out of your house for weekends or weeks at a time, you want a quick handle, easy to get to, we got you covered. Or we can go techno on you and have a mow and flow, Wi-Fi, smart valve. You got a smart stat, you got a smart oven, you got a smart HVAC. Oh, why not have a smart water valve? Ended up with the Admiral. The boys did a great job over there. The boys did a great job on all these jobs, all different stuff that we do service here, Atlantic City area, from Margate to Brigantine, and the Admiral out of Atlantic City was a nice little job and got it done for the guys. It was a pipe restriction, piped wrong. The guy must have been stuck, couldn't get 5-inch. Did what he had to do. We put the right pipe in with the right pitch and the right size, and we're gold. So there you have it. Any questions, shoot them at me. We're back live. We're doing this thing. We ain't going nowhere. And as always, we appreciate your views, your comments, and your subscriptions. See you at the next one, folks. Have a great weekend and happy Labor Day.